If you've been trying to figure out how to use project tools to manage internal approvals in the fastest, cleanest way possible, this short tutorial is going to save you hours of frustration. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to simplify your approval process, avoid back and forth confusion, and keep everything organized in one place. Plus, I'll hook you up with an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, only available for viewers of my channel. So here's the deal. Managing internal approvals usually turns into a mess of emails, Slack threads, and missed deadlines. But with the right project tool, you can streamline everything, assign tasks, collect approvals, track changes, and move forward without bottlenecks. First, open the software we'll be using. Again, the exclusive trial link is in the description if you want to follow along. Once you're inside, create a new project or workspace for the initiative you're managing approvals for. This might be a campaign, proposal, document, or anything that needs sign-off. Now, add all stakeholders to the project. This ensures visibility and keeps everyone in the loop. Assign roles depending on who's reviewing, who's approving, and who's just being kept informed. Clarity here saves you a ton of headaches later. Next, create a task or card for each approval item. Label it clearly. Something like marketing plan needs final approval. Add a due date and tag the specific approver. You can use built-in status options like waiting for review, changes needed, or approved to keep the flow visual and easy to follow. Here's a key tip. Attach the file or document that needs approval directly to the task. Most good project tools support versioning, so you can upload revisions and maintain a clear history. No more digging through email threads trying to find the right file. Use comments and mentions to discuss changes in context. Instead of meetings or chats, let the tool centralize feedback so decisions get made faster and nothing gets lost. This is also a great way to document why something was approved or rejected. If you need multiple levels of approval, like manager first, then legal, set up automation rules or sequential checklists. The task won't move forward until each person has marked their section complete. This keeps things moving without needing to constantly follow up. Once everything is approved, change the status to approved or ready for launch. Everyone gets notified automatically, and your team can execute without second-guessing anything. The key takeaway here is this. Using project tools to manage internal approvals transforms chaos into clarity. You'll save time, reduce miscommunication, and track every decision in one place. Quick recap. Create a dedicated workspace, assign roles, build clear approval tasks, attach the right files, use tags and comments for clarity, and automate where possible. Simple, fast, and efficient. And remember, if you want to follow along using the exact software I just showed you, the exclusive free trial is in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll help you get started in minutes. That's it for this tutorial. I'm Dan Thorne, and I'll see you in the next one.